Hey friends, it's Mrs. McCarver and it's time for today's math lesson. Now this week we have been working on figuring out how many we need to make the number 10. And we've talked about our number line and we've talked about some different tools. But today we're going to try to figure that out by when we are introduced to the number in a couple of different ways. So your start this morning is to figure out how many more I would need to make 10 if I showed you this. How many are there? How many more would I need to make 10? So your job is to figure it out. First, you have to figure out how many blue squares you see on the screen. And then you need to decide how many more I would need to make 10. You can use any of the ways we have talked about to figure this out. Let me show you, we have lots of options. You might use your 10 frame. You might use counters. You might use a number line. You might use a number sentence or equation. But whatever you decide to do, I want you to figure out how many blue dots you see and then decide how many more you need to make 10. So your job is to send me a video and tell me how many blue dots there are, tell me how many more you need to make 10, and tell me how you figured that out. Which tool or strategy did you use?